Hello. Okay, should be able to hear me. I think I need to have this up. All right, so I've got Robinhood here, the legend, and then we have this is an open trade from last week, but we're not obviously not counting it, but and then I have uh Trading View up over here, which I think should be sufficient. We got 8 minutes. 8 minutes till open. I think I'm gonna probably uh, take the trades on my phone, but they'll pop up over here on the legend. So 100% legit, but I'm just going to take them on my phone just because it's quicker, I think, in my opinion. And I don't use legend ever. Just figured that was the easiest way to have it up. So that's the way we will do it. Not sure how long this stream will be. Ideally, uh, we make our money in the morning and then call it a day, but you never really know. So we'll see. All right, so kind of went through some stuff planned for today. Plan for today is coin. Okay. It's 30-minute chart. That's all I use. 30-minute chart. I like it. I like coin over 232 right here uh over this resistance right here. So we're pushing. And I think with the rumor, right? Potential rumor, this will push pretty good pre-market. Also, another idea we're gonna be pushing is Oklo in more of a swing format. Okay, so majority of this account we're gonna do day trades, obviously, but if we do need to grab something for a swing, we're gonna do it. Right? This is all about growing this 2K as much as we can. So, Oklo longer term swings look really good, and then we're gonna watch coin right off the what the we're gonna watch coin right off the jump. Okay, over this resistance, we're gonna watch coin pushing. Uh, so that's kind of the strategy we're going with on this account. We're gonna take some swings. We're gonna take some shorter term. If you didn't hear me at the beginning, this Tesla call it does not count. I was just testing it out at the end of last week and just grabbed that. So ignore that. Ignore that Tesla call. So we'll see what happens. I mean, I just kind of got tired of seeing all the people on Twitter, you know, spewing garbage, calling bottom. I think that's where a majority of the people that are going to be joining this saw found my account. That one guy's Twitter. Not going to name any names, but what the? Yeah, I had to get the free version of TradingView because I don't use TradingView either. So it's just the free version. We'll see how it goes. If after a week we're running pretty good, then I'll just buy the full version. Overall strategy, I think, for this account is going to be, let's try to bank profit very quickly, right? Because I was thinking yesterday, let's say we target 100 a day, $100 profit a day, right? That would be basically 5% of the account per day, 25% a week. That would be some pretty ridiculous returns, right? When you're really thinking about it. Whereas if we target, if we think in percentage base, right? And we target, let's say, 12% a week, that seems more doable. And we're going to see some pretty solid growth, right? Overall with 12%. If, I'm not here to jump in a lottery ticket with the whole account. You know what I mean? Like, we're going to take this serious. We're going to really grow this, right? Might seem like not a lot of money to people, but it's definitely doable. Uh, Now, I haven't really seen anybody do it legit on X ever, but we're going to take on that task. And I think we can do it. But don't get discouraged, we start off with a loss or something. We're not getting discouraged here. Wow, coin's selling off. Interesting. We need to stay above that resistance if we're going to jump in this. Probably not going to have many people in the stream today. It's probably going to take about a week of just consistent winning before we get a ton of people joining, but that's perfectly fine. I'll be doing this even if there's 0 people watching, to be honest, just to prove a point. One minute. I'm going to jump into coin calls right at open and see what happens. If it turns into a swing, it turns into a swing. Okay. So we're going to do March 7th. Probably going to be in the 270s. March 7th. Let's see the initial reaction, actually. We're going to wait and watch the initial reaction. But come on, dude. Interesting. We need to hold this right here, 230. So this is showing pre-market, obviously. I don't recommend that ever, but I don't really know how to turn it off on Legend, so that's where we're at. All right, opened up. Let's see what happens. Yeah, so we're probably going to look at 255s. 250s maybe. Actually, it's selling off here pretty good. All right, so glad we didn't get in. This Tesla call doesn't count. Just a heads up. All right, let's see. So none of this matters, but I opened this on Friday just to test it, and so we'll see what happens. All right. Struggling that resistance. Tesla back below 300. All right, so the 250s are just about 300 a contract. All right, we're gonna do a 255 right now. March 7th, 255. Try to fill it for 2.4. See what happens. Okay, we got it. 2.4. Coin 255.37. Order filled 240. All right, what are we looking for? We're looking for I'd like to see 236 235. I'm going to set an alert at 235 on coin. So we want to see something right here. Just push the bottom of this candle. Push the bottom of this candle right here. Selling off. Oh, that Tesla call is not doing too bad. Honestly, if it rejects, we have plenty of time, right? So if we need to hold, we'll hold. But we'll see. It's not easy to talk the whole time. You can see why a lot of the streamers don't do it. But, you know, that's just how they are. All right, we're up $3. Struggling. So, I'm going to drag this over here. Hopefully everybody can still see, but just to kind of talk about like our wow, Apple on a rip. Just our strategy, right? I'm looking for simply support and resistance and then a what the heck word am I thinking of? Let's look at Netflix. Sorry, my mind is everywhere. So, consolidation, that's what I wanted to say. So, something like this, right? I'm looking for something like that. So, boom. Resistance, 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 followed by something like this, right? So, support, support. So, the low, higher low, right? High, lower high, lower high. That's what we're looking for. This consolidation down and then a break of structure. Simply put, that's all we're looking for. A lot of waiting. It's a waiting game. It's not all excitement. This is the real side of it. Wow. Can't even see it. Wow, this legend is brutal. I don't know how many of you guys are using this thing. This was to be expected after a massive gap up, in my opinion. So, this could turn into a bit of a longer trade, which is fine. The other trick is don't overtrade, right? Could definitely buy another right here, but I'm definitely not going to. But I would not be worried swinging this at all. Standard price action for coin, in my opinion. It's all mental. Bitcoin went on a huge run over the weekend. So even if it needs to cool off a bit, let coin shake some folks out. We've seen moves like this before on coin. 3 people on stream. Exciting. Day 1 of the stream. I'll be doing this every single day. Maybe we need to get some like some music playing in the background or something. That would be cool. So this was the other thing I was thinking about. If I was to, go off stream and close one of these trades, right, while we weren't live, I guess I would just have to tweet it, like post it, right? I would have no other option. Uh, Other than that. So I guess maybe toward the end of the week, if we're doing well, we can just make a Discord, maybe something I can send the trades in quickly. I think that would be the best idea. Yeah, that'll probably be what we do. All right, well, we're just going to watch. I'm not too worried about these positions right now. That's for certain. We're going to see coin up there in the 250s this week. So, just watching. massive sell-off just across the board, right? It looks pretty brutal. So, thoughts here. Thoughts here, thoughts here. All right, thoughts here. If coin can come down and touch here, 221, we're gonna get another. We are going to take another contract if it can get down there. Yep, here we go. Let's see. It's coming right to resistance here. Okay, we're gonna buy one here. Try and get it filled for 125. Orders in at 1.25 for a second contract. Okay, just executed. Coin 255, call 37. And that's our second contract there. I'm going to close this Tesla one that I had already. Oh, trying to. There we go. All right. So that was just one that I had already. So close that. What did I just do? I think I just bought another. I did. That was an accident. All right. Those are gone. All right. So now we're just in coin. Those Tesla ones I already had. So, all right. So we have 2 coin, 255 calls. Average cost 183. I like our spot. I like our spot. I like our spot. Netflix selling heavy. That is something. Just tweeted out what we were in. Probably just end the stream here. Not much of a reason to keep going. Just these are going to be swings, so just going to call it here. no clue how to end this. I have no clue how to end this. Trying to figure out how to end this stream, and I can't figure it out. Trying to figure out how to end this stream, which is pretty funny, and I can't, but figure it out. Trying to figure out how to end this stream, brutal. Pretty funny, and I can't. Netflix coming back a bit. Coin is brutal. Netflix coming back a bit. Netflix coming back a bit. It'll just end when I click this.